Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel, where we transform your everyday business challenges into easy, practical wins using the latest free tools and smart hacks. If you've ever felt stuck replying to your boss, handling a tricky customer email, or just making your messages sound more professional, you are in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into how to use ChatGPT and Grammarly to handle real-life business conversations with confidence, and maybe even impress a few people along the way. So grab your notepad, hit that like button, and let's jump right in.
First, let's examine how to reply to WhatsApp messages in a professional tone. Here's a message received from a co-staff. Hi, could you please prepare and share with me by tomorrow morning, once you reach the office, a detailed accounts receivable report for my customers, including current outstanding amounts, due dates, overdue balances, and a breakdown by customer. I need this to review the collection status and follow up accordingly. Thanks in advance for your prompt support. In this scenario, the problem is that I am planning to take leave because I am sick. So how can I respond professionally, rather than simply saying, I'm not feeling well, I won't come to work tomorrow? Let's ask ChatGPT. Make this sounds professional, : I'm not well, so won't be able to come to work tomorrow, : Is it okay if I send to you the report day after tomorrow, ? Now, ChatGPT has generated a polished, professional version of our reply. However, it looks more like an email, whereas in this situation, we are actually responding on WhatsApp, : Whenever you're prompting ChatGPT, always remember to give it the correct context. Your prompt must include the scenario you're in, the type of reply you need, and the overall perspective you want. You must provide the full picture of what you are expecting. So let's edit the prompt and say, make this sounds professional, : reply message to WhatsApp message, : friendly request, not asking for approval. Of course, we're not asking for leave approval from our manager or supervisor. This is just a notification, : I am not well, so won't be able to come to work tomorrow, : Is it okay if I send to you the report day after tomorrow? And here is the updated reply, which is better suited for a WhatsApp conversation, : Hi, just a quick note to let you know I'm unwell and won't be able to come to work tomorrow. Would it be all right if I shared the report with you the day after tomorrow instead? Thanks for your understanding. You can see the difference. When I edited the prompt and gave it the right context, the reply changed to match exactly what we were expecting. Now let's copy this, paste it into WhatsApp, replace name with Alex, and send it. Here is the reply received from Alex. No problem, that's fine, take care and feel better soon, : This demonstrates a roadmap for how you can use ChatGPT for daily workplace tasks, providing clear, professional, and context-appropriate responses, even if you're a beginner or a student or a trainee who just joined a company.
Next, let's look at a situation that every small or medium-sized business owner will inevitably face at some point: a customer complaint about a faulty product. If you run a computer retail company, or even if you work in the sales or RMA department of any organization, handling complaints professionally is absolutely critical. Customers with product issues must be treated with respect and empathy. Otherwise, you risk losing their trust and their business altogether. There's a quote I once read that truly applies here. Treat your customers how you would want to be treated as a customer, and even better. Let me show you a realistic example. Here's the email received from a customer. Dear Sir, I am writing to express my dissatisfaction with the laptop I purchased from your store last week. Invoice #CR 4567. From the very first day, the device has had repeated freezing issues and randomly shuts down without warning. I have already tried basic troubleshooting, but the problems persist. Given that the product is clearly defective, I would like to request a full refund as per your return policy. Please advise on the process to return the laptop and obtain my refund. I expect a prompt resolution, as this issue has caused considerable inconvenience to my work. Thank you for your immediate attention to this matter. Kind regards, M. Hussein. Now, how can we reply to this customer in a professional, non-defensive, and respectful tone? Let's put this scenario to ChatGPT.
I need your help.
My prompt would look like this. I own a computer retail store in Galle, Sri Lanka, called ABC Computers. I just got an email from a customer about a faulty laptop. Can you help me draft a reply? Respond in a calm and professional tone. without escalating the issue or sounding defensive. I will send you the email copy in text. As I start typing, you can Grammarly immediately checking for basic spelling, grammar, and clarity issues. For some people, that might seem repetitive or even boring. But remember, every single one of these corrections helps you build stronger business writing habits over time. ChatGPT first responds with, "Understood. Please proceed to share the customer's email text, and I will assist you in crafting a calm, professional, and non-defensive reply." By giving ChatGPT this clear context, you help it understand exactly the type of reply you are looking for. If you want even more accuracy, you should include a detailed picture of your situation, the style of response, and any limitations. That will help the AI generate results that match your needs. Next, I copy and paste the customer's email into ChatGPT. In just a few seconds, it generates this professional, customer-friendly draft. Subject: Request for refund. Invoice hashtag CR4567. Dear Mr. Hussein, thank you for bringing this matter to our attention, and we sincerely regret the inconvenience you have experienced with your recent laptop purchase. At ABC Computers, we take product quality and customer satisfaction very seriously. As the next step, we would like to invite you to bring the laptop to our service counter at your earliest convenience, along with the original invoice, CR4567. Our technical team will conduct a priority assessment to verify the fault. If the issue is confirmed as a manufacturing defect, we will be pleased to proceed in line with our refund or replacement policy, whichever you prefer. We fully understand how critical a reliable laptop is for your work, and we will aim to resolve this swiftly to minimize any further disruption. Please let us know when you would like to bring the device in, or if you require any assistance with transport or scheduling, do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you again for highlighting this, and we look forward to resolving it for you without delay. Kind regards, your full name, your job title. ABC Computers, your contact number, your email address. If you want to change or remove any part of this reply, you can simply tell ChatGPT, and it will adapt the email immediately. At first, this process might feel like it takes more time than just typing a quick reply yourself. But trust me, the more you use AI tools like ChatGPT and Grammarly for refining grammar and style, the faster and better you will get at professional communication. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope these simple AI-powered tips help you look sharper, write clearer, and build confidence in your professional conversations. If you found this useful, make sure to hit subscribe, and don't forget to drop your questions or tricky work situations in the comments below, because I'd love to help you solve them in future videos. Remember, mastering professional communication is a journey, and you're not alone on that road. See you next time. Stay smart, stay confident,